Welcome back guys with a brand new video. In this video we will learn that how we can control a servo motor using an Arduino Uno. So in this video basically I have already made the circuits and the code to save your time. So you have to only now understand the working principles, that how it's controlling the servo motor using Arduino. I will also upload the code and the schematic diagram in the comment section. You can also download it by here. Now if I start the simulations, you can see here that these servo motors will move with the 2000 delay in the forward directions and in the backward directions. So you can see here the rotation of the servo motor up to the 360 degree. In the first step it moves 90 degree, and then it moves the remaining to 70 degree, and it's showing 180 degree rotation. uh, Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you need help in any project relevant to the electrical and electronics, you can also ping message on my WhatsApp number, and you can also visit my Upwork and Fiverr profile. Thank you so much.